Welcome to Surface International, leading manufacturer of airless and air-operated shot blasting and shot peening machines, blast room systems, paint booths and baking oven, dust extraction system. Introducing our CEO Mr. Yogesh Maheshwari. A prominent name in the field of shot blasting industry, having hands-on experience of more than 40 years in this field. He has also published a journal on shot peening in 1996 at International Conference on Shot Peening and Blast Cleaning, held in Bhopal, India. Introducing our Executive Director Mr. Rachit Maheshwari, heading the design and production activities with experience of more than 10 years. Office space covering over 4,000 square feet of area housing international and domestics marketing department. Design department working on latest designing software for better performance. Electrical department. Accounts and purchase department. After sales and service department. In-house lab for R&D facility consisting of testing equipment such as profilometer, anemometer, tachometer, Rockwell hardness tester, decibel meter, lux meter, vibrometers, IR thermometers etc., enabling us to check machine parameters thoroughly during internal inspection. Our workshop floor area of 17,000 square feet houses 3 bays for fabrication, assembly and testing of various machines. We have developed our facility to assemble and test machines of up to 50 feet height. Our in-house machinery consists of 5-ton, 10-ton, 15-ton EOT cranes, CNC plasma cutting machine, CNC bending and shearing machine, lathe machines, milling and slaughter machine, dynamic balancing machine, various welding and drilling machines, portable man lifts, enabling our workforce to produce best quality machine for you in stipulated time. We have material storage area of more than 3,000 square feet. thank you for watching the video. For more information visit our website www.surfaceint.com or you can write to us at info@surfaceint.com.